starter, Mr. Ricky Cruz, holds the ball and they rock. Chuchinelli draws for your lead. Nice. And this say running by the rail. Then running on the outside. Best strike. Then followed by executive order. Running by the rail. Virgin Island. Running alongside Mike Zam Lady. Followed by Mogul. And Cool Turner is running at the tail of the field. And rather Sugar Daddy is running at the tail of the field as they round to the 3/4 mile distance. And leading the field, nice, and this Chuchinelli drops back in second, racing in third, best strike. Executive order, racing in fourth, down in fifth, Mike Zam Lady, followed by Virgin Island, then followed by Mogul, Cool Turner, and a long way back to Sugar Daddy. Past the last 800 and working to the final 600. Nice, and easy, leading the field by about 2 lengths. Best strike remains in second and racing now in third on the outside. Executive order, Mike Zam Lady Chuchinelli with the last 350 more to run. Nice, and easy by about 3 lengths. Best strike remains in second, moving up on the outside. Mike Zam Lady by the rail. Executive order with the last 200 meters more to run. Nice, and easy by about 2 lengths. Best strike is on the outside. Executive order with 50 meters more to run. It's nice and easy. Best strike, Mike Zam Lady, executive order, and Virgin Island for your Pentapecta.